Have you ever played this game before?
I have not, no.
All right. So the way this game goes is that every time you hear me do this, clicking, I'm going to give you one of these jewels, which you could probably cash in for whatever you want, whatever you, it's like you can make a wish on it. So lots of wishes. There you go. And when you take them from me, you take them with your right hand only, and your left hand just stays out of the game.
Okay.
Okay? Don't try to figure it out. Don't try to solve it. All you know is that it makes you happy when you get those jewels. Right?
Okay.
Okay, I think we got it. What do you think your task was? What do you think were the rules for you getting your clicks?
Once you put the thimble down, it signaled me for you wanted me to knock over the pony or the dog. But not so much the flamingo.
Yeah.
The flamingo, I believe I was to remain silent and not move, and I get the click once the flamingo came out.
Okay.
But the ponies and the dog were born to be knocked down every time you introduced the thimble.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's continue for just 2 minutes, a little bit more, and let's see what goes on.
Okay.
Okay. When I put my finger like this,
Okay.
what does it mean to you?
Fingers with the thimble,
Yeah,
it means knock something down.
right. And when I remove my hand with the thimble,
To stop. Don't knock anything more down.
that's exactly right.
The thimble of death.
It's hunting season.